Once registration and onboarding is complete, you can start building your tech page. Here's how. Go to TechnologyCatalogue.com and sign into your account to access your toolbox. Select My Technologies and then click Edit Technology. Here, you can add your technology title and subtitle. Next, add a thumbnail image, your preferred keywords, and your technology description. In the following step, rate your technology business impact on a scale of 1 to 10. This helps end users to evaluate technologies that can help them reduce their CO2 emissions, reduce cost, and improve safety. Now list your technology's pros and cons. And add your technology specifications. Next, upload eye-catching images and include a video describing your technology. Then rate your technology maturity by adding your technology readiness level. After you have provided all the sufficient information for your page, you can submit your page for review and publication. If you intend to make further changes prior to publication, click Save. Please note that your tech page will be set as pending and revised by our support team. You will receive an email when your page is published. Once your page is published, don't forget to share your page on social media and invite your clients to leave reviews. Contact info@technologycatalogue.com for assistance.